Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated, yet most powerful keys to healing your body and feeling your best. Sleep. Yep, not the supplements, not the workouts, not even the green juices. Sleep. It's free, it's natural, and it's something most of us are not getting enough of. If you're feeling tired all the time, stressed, foggy, or even struggling with your skin, digestion, or mood, it might all start with your sleep. Let's talk about how to fix your sleep and heal your body naturally. Part 1, Why Sleep is the Healing Superpower. We hear it all the time, get your 8 hours. But do you actually know what happens when you sleep? Your body goes into full recovery mode. Hormones balance out, muscles repair, toxins get flushed from your brain, your immune system resets. And your mind, that's when memory strengthens, creativity kicks in, and emotional healing actually happens. When you don't sleep well, it's like trying to charge your phone with a frayed cable. It might light up, but it won't function properly. Same with your body. Part 2, the problem, why you're not sleeping well. So what's getting in the way? 1. Blue light and screen time. Netflix till midnight, doom scrolling in bed. That blue light confuses your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, can't do its thing. 2. Stress overload. If your mind is racing, sleep becomes a struggle. Cortisol, your stress hormone, stays high, and that's basically an alert system saying, we can't rest yet. 3. Caffeine and sugar. Even if you had coffee at 3 p.m., it can still mess with your sleep hours later. Sugar spikes and crashes can also wake you up at night. 4. Inconsistent sleep schedule. Going to bed at 10 one night and 2 a.m. the next. Your internal clock has no clue what's going on, and it needs rhythm to work. Part 3, the fix. Natural ways to sleep better. Let's get into the good stuff. Here are the simple but powerful steps you can take, starting tonight. 1. Set a sleep window. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body loves routine. Aim for 7-9 hours depending on your needs. 2. Limit blue light at night. Use blue light blocking glasses after sunset, or switch your phone and laptop to night shift mode. Even better, power down screens an hour before bed. 3. Create a wind-down routine. This can be as simple as herbal tea like chamomile or lemon balm, journaling, reading a real book, light stretching or breathwork. 4. Eat sleep-friendly foods. Try foods rich in magnesium and tryptophan like almonds, bananas, turkey, oats, tart cherry juice, natural melatonin booster. 5. Cool, dark, and quiet room. Your bedroom should feel like a sleep cave. Keep it dark, cool, around 65-68 degrees Fahrenheit, and free from noise and distractions. 6. Ditch caffeine after 2 p.m. Even if you think it doesn't affect you, it probably is. Switch to herbal tea or decaf after lunch. 7. Try natural tools. Magnesium glycinate, lavender essential oil, weighted blankets, white noise machines. These can all help your body and brain settle into rest mode. Part 4. Look, fixing your sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's about healing your body from the inside out. Better sleep can mean better focus, more energy, fewer cravings, healthier skin, stronger immunity, less anxiety, and the best part, it's free. You just need to give your body the conditions to do what it already knows how to do. So tonight, try one of these habits, then build on it. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what you're trying to improve in your sleep routine. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more tips on natural healing and living well. Sweet dreams, fam. See you in the next one.